Hi, I'm Kerry Greenwald, your Northwest VA guy. So let's talk today about subsequent use on VA. So it used to be said, yes, you can have multiple VAs at one time. You could have two. We saw those normal things. It had to do with what the loan amounts were. So we've talked about this before in my videos that it used to be, 144,000 you can go through and do. And over the years, that number's dramatically increased. Well, you have what's called subsequent use. Each time that number goes up, you have eligibility portions based on what the amounts are. So you can have a second VA house the same time you have a current one to go through and do. Now we've even seen the rare occasions because the values continue to go up even more. We've seen people actually doing a third VA transaction where they still have the other two previous two. Yes, that is allowed. It's called subsequent use. If you exceed what your allotment is that's left over, you can pay 25% of what that portion is. So let's say, for example, the person has $400,000 in eligibility or $300,000 in eligibility, and they want to borrow a $400,000 house. They can pay the difference of what that 25% is on that $100,000 going over. So it's just $25,000 to go through and do something like that. So subsequent use VA is very attractive to go through and keep that eligibility portions. You don't have to go back and refinance the previous houses into conventional to get your allotment back. You can actually do it while you keep those VA houses in their position. So definitely reach out to me or my team. Love to go through and answer further questions. I hope I wasn't too confusing on that. But subsequent use VA is a very popular tool to go through and use and have multiple VA transactions. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Now subscribe to the channel and you can always keep updated on weekly events. Anything new coming up on VA, we'll let you know. Thanks.